The value of investments and the income derived from them may fluctuate, and an investor may not receive back the amount originally invested. Past performance is not necessarily a guide for the future. The investments referred to in this webcast may not be suitable for all investors, and if in doubt, an investor should seek advice from a qualified investment advisor. Good evening, I'm Ben Sims, Director of Trading from Blue Index, and this is the MoneyAM Market Roundup. After reaching 5.5-year highs yesterday, the FTSE closed at 61.08, down 64 points, mainly due to some profit taking in the financial and mining sectors. It looks like we'll have to wait and see a few more days if it can get itself back above the 62 level or start to move back underneath 6,000. Barclays was the largest faller in the banks, dropping over 3% through the session to close at 702.5. Possibly on the back of a statement yesterday from Citigroup that they were looking at some organic growth rather than any European acquisitions. Rio Tinto fell some 3.5% intraday and closed at 26.75, following the pullback in gold and silver. Chorus Group again provided some volatility in the midday trading, falling from just under 500p down all the way to 464, on the back of Newswire reports suggesting that Tata Steel bid was below the current market price. It then recovered back to close at 479 after the close, after analyst comments that Tata Steel could face competition within the industry for the acquisition of Chorus. Oil stocks were firmer through the session. BP and Royal Shell, some of the highest rising blue chips. This was mainly down to the crude climbing back above $60 overnight, and hopes that OPEC may cut production later this month. Bullish analysts are looking for a target of 68 to 70 on the December contract as we head towards Christmas. A higher expected PPI figure in the States caused the Dow Jones futures to drop and open lower. This followed profit taking in the European markets. But I think the US will be waiting for the CPI figures tomorrow morning before we see any larger movements. We're expecting some movement in the Dow Jones later, however, on earnings coming from Intel and IBM after the bell. That's the market summary. Do tune in tomorrow morning for the opening market report.